This is beyond my wildest dreams to have a chance to fight here. I cannot wait to hear all the Oles ring around the stadium.
Katie Taylor, how are you feeling? You are finishing your career in Croke Park.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Oh, it's amazing. This has been a long time coming. I think I had a dream maybe 4 years ago of fighting at Croke Park, and looking back on all my career, it's been absolutely remarkable. But it's amazing to think that this night on September the 5th can be my most iconic moment in my career. This is beyond my wildest dreams to have a chance to fight here.
And I know it's personal. I don't mean to mention a lady's age. You will have turned a big age. You'll be the big 4-0.
Yeah.
You always had guts, determination, right back to the time when you were young, and bringing back to that time you had to sometimes pretend to be a boy to be able to fight.
Yeah, it's been an amazing journey, an amazing start, and a crazy start, really having to pretend to be a boy. I'm so grateful that these young girls now don't have to go through what I went through. That's probably the most satisfying part about this whole journey. But you are right, I am going to be 40 in a few months.
I'm sorry.
And so it's been a long career, it's been a very hard career, it's been a tough journey, but I've achieved my dreams of becoming an Olympic champion, and these last few years as a professional boxer.
The hype is real. The hype is real around this fight. What message do you have to your fans that have been following you over the last 2 decades?
I want to put on a performance worthy of everyone's support, and those people who dig deep into their pockets, spend their hard-earned money to travel around the world to watch me fight. I'm overwhelmed by that. I can't believe that people would do that to support me, and to I'm seeing all the tricolours around the whole world, in the UK, Madison Square Garden, Dallas. It's been unbelievable, and I just want to thank them for the support, thank them for the respect that they've given women's boxing over the years. This is not going to be an easy fight, and I have to be at my very, very best to win this fight. I'm just going to be locked in and focused as ever, but at the same time I cannot wait to hear all the Oles ring around the stadium.
And there will be Oles. When it's all over, when you do retire, I understand that you do like McChicken nuggets. Will you treat yourself to some nuggets, or how will you switch off?
After some of my most amazing wins, how I celebrated at McDonald's after the fight with a chicken nugget meal. That was after the Olympic Games, after that gold medal win, and after the last fight we were sitting in the hotel room with my team having McDonald's. So those are some great memories as well. So hopefully it'll be the same this time round.